Hey guys, it's Lisa back with another video for you for Lisa Wise Designs, and today I am officially announcing my newest kit project or tutorial. It's going to be a Christmas in July album. It's called Boho Christmas. It can be used to house 55 photos or more, or you can use it as a December daily, and we'll go over all of that. But I wanted to let you know, if you ordered this kit or anything in my shop now through July 15th, be sure and use this coupon code, just July 2025 in all caps, and you'll save 15% off on the kits, on tutorials, anything in the shop. This is my Christmas in July sale. Okay, so let's take a look. This is from Simple Stories paper collection called Boho Christmas. That's why I've named my album that. I've got a couple of jingle bells on here you may be able to hear. It's a really pretty tag. So in the kit, you'll get everything that you see here to make this beautiful album. The only thing that you'll need is some tools, and all that will be outlined in the supply list of what you'll need. So when you open this up, you've got a 3x4 card. You can put some pictures on, 4x6. But this has got a little surprise. When you open it up, it's got a little pop-up element to it. So you can make this three-dimensional more if you want to. You can add whatever here you want. So you can get two photos here, photo here, 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 here. Oh, what fun. I love this. I think this is so cute. Put this back in here. Okay. Now, like I said, you can use this as a December daily. In this kit, you're going to get all the numbers if you want to put a picture a day. If you've ever wanted to make a December daily, this one is super easy to make. Comes together very fast. Or if you just want a photo album to put your pictures in, just leave off the numbers if you want. So this will be day one. I'm using 6x8 paper pad, 2 and 3. It's just so cute. I love how it combines the dark red with pinks and different shades of green. Look at that Santa, ain't he pretty? So for day 5, I really like this big Santa and wanted to use the whole picture without cutting it down. So I made this little photo flap here with the insert, and it says ho ho ho. I think that is really, really cute. So I sized this album where you can use those 6x8 paper pads without having to cut them down. You just slowly glue them all. Just glue them down. Page 6. Christmas gifts come and go, but Christmas memories last a lifetime. That is so true. Just got my little gift here to give you more dimension with the number 6. Better not pout. And then you can put a horizontal photo here or a landscape photo. So that's another thing to consider too, is you don't have to know if you're going to have vertical photos or horizontal photos, because both will fit in this album. Right? And I say this in the videos, but if you don't know if you're going to need more photos, if you want more photo flaps, or if you don't know which way your pictures are going to be, horizontal or vertical, you can always leave that piece of it out. But if you're giving it for a photo, I would just lay it out like this. Just make sure that you use repositionable glue where they can just take this off and slide it under here. That's what I'm going to do for mine anyway. 10 and 11. 12 and 13. I love this. With the different colored trees matched up with the red. Poinsettias. I know I'm the only one that says poinsettia. Poinsettia. Right. So here's another way that you can add more photos and to use the whole picture if you want to. The paper is we'll make some flaps like this. And you could put a flap on every page if you wanted to. As long as you've got the materials, because you have some extra brown paper, so you could do that. So here's another version of that where you could put more photos here on the 3x4. This one I just skipped, just like if you have a day where you don't have a photo, this will be a great way to do that. So it goes from 22, I skipped 23, and then it's going to go over here to 24. So no one ever has to know if you didn't have a photo for that day, if you wanted to use it that way. So I know I was going to need more room here for Christmas Eve, so I put a flap there. And then this is the back cover. So this for me is going to be December 25th because I know I'm going to have a bunch of photos on that morning. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So I can get 16 photos just on the 25th, and that's if I use full 4x6s and don't put like 2 photos per sheet, which I do a lot now. So I think that's really good, 25th. So we also have a lot of pictures on Christmas Eve, so I thought I can use this space, and then I can also use the space that's on the front here for my overflow pictures. And that's it. It comes together very simply, but it uses a lot of products. So let's go over what's in your kit. So you get 25 sheets of 8.5 by 11, 80-pound cardstock in Grocer's Craft is the name of it. Ooh, I can see myself in there. And my hair is probably not combed. So you get a whole pack of this, 25. Starting with the biggest, you get 7 12 by 12 sheets. Mary, and then dots. Got the poinsettias, some plaid, the packages, and some dots, and then this old world looking Santa Claus. And some different plaid, different type of poinsettia paper. The other one was this one, the greenish. This is on white. Ooh, I love those red dots. Then you have some cut aparts. Here's your 3x4s. There's fa la 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 la. And here's your 4x6 cut aparts on the back of this. You've got dots, and then your cut aparts here. Really loved this one. I used it. Okay, so 7 sheets. That. And as always, if you get the kit, you get your cutting guide. It's already printed and ready for you, step-by-step instructions, but then I will also have videos. You get a full pack of the 6x8 paper pad, the Boho Christmas. We use every single bit of the 6x8, and then I think I had a half a sheet left of the 12x12. Then you get lots of little goodies here. You get the bits and pieces there. You get the journaling bits. If you're going to use it as a December daily, you also get number bits. So you can just save these for an advent calendar if you don't want to use it in that way. Then we also get decorative brads. They're called brads, but they don't have the little legs or the sticky points in it. They're just self-adhesive. So that makes it easy. You get a half a sheet of tie back to help put the album together. A couple of sheets of white. We'll use those and help us with some templates. And 2 sheets of 8.5 by 11 chipboard. So this is a pretty big kit. It's got a lot of elements in it. And I believe I only had 2 or 3 of these left. I used everything in this. Well, I can't say that. I didn't use all the brads, but I did use all of these elements in there. And then our baggie has a tag, some pink and white twine, some green ribbon, and a couple of those jingle bells that we use here on the front. So you see how those brads are on here? They're in a couple of spots here. I especially like to use them on the cover because they are so 3-dimensional. But if you want to pick it up, try to pick it up in the next week while there's a 15% off coupon. And I think you're really going to love this class. This paper to me was absolutely beautiful. Thanks guys for everything, and go ahead and join our Facebook group that'll be linked down below and pick up your kit this week, and the videos will get started a week from today. Thank you guys. Bye.